Hi friends, you can hear this terrible sound coming out from my laptop. This is the sound of cooling fan. In this video, I will tell you some tricks to replace your cooling fan easily. You can see this is my laptop. So you need to place it, first of all, place this laptop in this way, and this is the place you need to remove this rubber. There are two rubbers, so you need to remove only this upper side and do not touch the rubber which is underneath because that doesn't have any screws, so you can remove these screws. One tip here is you must use a hand screwdriver and do not use the drill machine or something like that. After that you can open your keyboard from this side, but do not push it. It is connected from the underside. These are two cables are connected with motherboard. See, now how can we remove this? No problem, I will give you a tip. See, this you need to unlock. You just need to make it straight first, and the other one, this one is a smaller one and it is in the lock position. Lift it from this side. So we have already removed the keyboard. Now I will tell you more about this system. So if you look at it, you will find some components inside the computer or laptop. This is a battery, and these were the two ports. We have recently removed these two cables. Okay, and after that, this is the black one. This is the battery. This is a hard drive. This bluish is motherboard, and this is the noisy fan. We need to replace this one because this is making all the noise. Okay, so we need to remove the battery first, but before that, there are around 8 to 9 cables. One, number two, three, four, five, six, and there is another one. Uh, I will show you in a diagram. So first of all, we need to disconnect all these connections from the keyboard, and we need to remove this black battery first. So to remove this, we have 6 screws, so we need to remove it by that. Okay, and this is the hard drive. It's up to you if you want to remove it or no. I usually do not remove, but I just drag this cable back actually from the hard drive. These are the six screws, and the batteries attached to the motherboard. Okay, let's move forward. Yes, these are all the connections I told you to disconnect before moving forward. Okay, after that you can remove all the screws and remove the battery from the system. Just remove it with a lot of care. Here we go. See, if you look at this silver box-like structure, you will find RAMs inside. If you want to upgrade this system, you can add to 8 GB of RAMs. This is the maximum capacity of RAM this computer can have. This fan is attached with these four screws. This is the fan which is making all the noise. This is the fan which I have recently replaced from the motherboard, and this is the number. You can order it from Amazon. It cost only $20 or so. One more tip, when you put everything back, do not screw it, do not tight your screws, and just use this wireless keyboard to check if everything is working right or no before placing your keyboard on it. I have turned on the system and I have entered my password. Yes, everything is working fine. It means I can move forward and we are good to go. After that, you can, when you find that everything is good, then you can screw everything back. You can tight your screws on the laptop, and you can tight the motherboard and everything. And after that, you can close your laptop by putting the keyboard back on it. So this is how you can get rid of the noisy fan. Thank you for watching.